at some methods to do with percentages. Now there's lots and lots of different methods around percentages. However, as you progress with your mathematics, you really want to be using what we normally call the decimal multiplier, okay? Because it's much more flexible, and we'll come on to do some quite advanced things with it. Now it's dead easy to use. You just have to remember that if you are dealing with 72%, what that means is 72 per 100, and its decimal equivalent is 0.72. Okay, now you don't have to write all this out, you just have to spot 13% is the same as 0.13, 45% is 0.45, etc. If you can get that in your head, just always 0 point, whatever percentage you've got, that's a great start. Because we can use that decimal multiplier to really speed up percentage problems. We're going to start off with a problem where we just find the percentage of a number. These are calculated problems. As I say, we can really get the speed going. So we're going to find 13% of 280. I know that the decimal multiplier is 0.13. You just times it by that. That's all you need to do, and you'll have the percentage there. So let's do that. 280 multiplied by 0.13, 36.4. There's your answer. Okay. Let's do a slightly trickier one. 14.5% of 190. So we have 190, and we're going to multiply it by 0. The numbers just follow. If it's 14%, it'd be 0.14, but it's 145. So the multiplier is 0.145, and we just times it in. 190 times 0.145, 27.55. Feel free to check it in your calculator. Okay, so that's finding a percentage, and if you wanted to increase 280 by that amount, you could just add it on. If you wanted to reduce 280 by that amount, you could just take it off. However, there is a shortcut to do that for us, and that's why we're using the decimal multiplier. Let's increase 490 by 12%. Now, we could find 12% and add it on. But if we think about what we're actually doing is, we've got the original, that's 100%, and we're adding that 12% on. So what we're actually going to end up with is 112%. In this case, our decimal multiplier is 490 multiplied by 1, that represents the 100%, 1, 2, and you get straight to your answer. So let's try that. 490 multiplied by 1.12, so 112%. We have 548.8, final answer. We'll also have a look at one where we decrease it or reduce it. Let's reduce 270 by 15%. Now it's going to get smaller this time. The 270 was the original 100%, but you're taking 15% off that. In other words, what you're going to be left with is 85%, and we can just use that decimal multiplier. So we would have 270 multiplied by 0.85, and that should take us straight to our final answer. Just short of 230. So it's a good idea to have a look at your answers, see if they're roughly what you expect. Well, 10% of 490 is 49. So if I did that on, yeah, that looks about right. 15%, we're expecting it to come out about 35-ish. So yeah, it seems relative. Just get an idea in your head what you roughly expect the number to be, and those seem good to me. So that's your final answer.